Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French correctly, including in English and why. So you may hear a lot of people pronounce this in English as prefix, prefix, and that's not entirely correct. You can do better, and here is why. In France, in French, this is said as prix. Yes, the X is silent here. Prix fixe, prix fixe. Therefore, in English, it is best to pronounce it as prix fixe. No, prix fixe with a long E sound and then an X sound. Prix fixe rather than prefix. I know it's more intuitive to say prefix, but it's best to say it as prix fixe because it comes from French. Prix fixe. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names and words from French whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, and you do want to pronounce them better, don't you? Anyhow, thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.